Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was so excited to get this delivery on my doorstep because my husband and I will be having an in-house date night featuring HelloFresh. If you're not familiar with HelloFresh, it's a monthly subscription-based meal prep company where they deliver your meals each week and there are new options to choose from. They have options like the Hall of Fame, gourmet meals, one-pot wonders, 20-minute meals, and even kid-approved meals. All you have to do is tell them when and where you want your box delivered, and you can even skip or cancel deliveries and make any changes up to 5 days prior to your delivery day. It's so easy because all the ingredients come included in your box, and they have step-by-step recipe cards with pictures that you can follow along. So if you're interested in HelloFresh, I encourage you to go to their website, check out their options that they have available. Also, HelloFresh has all different serving sizes that fit your needs. So if you're a vegan, vegetarian, if you're paleo or keto, they have all different options that fit your dietary needs. Now tonight's meal that we will be preparing is the chicken, sausage, and spinach ricotta ravioli. As you can see, everything came pre-packaged in this box and in the bag, and it featured all of the ingredients that we needed to complete this recipe. Now here my husband's just taking all of the ingredients out of the bag just so we can have them in front of us. Now I normally do all the cooking in the house and my husband just kind of eats, so it was really exciting to see him get in the kitchen and get excited about cooking. Now to help him out, I went ahead and washed all the produce. And while I was doing that, my husband went ahead and chopped up some of the produce to get us going. And on the stove in the back, we have a pan of water boiling for the ravioli, as well as the frying pan heating up so we can get ready to cook the chicken sausage. Now that everything's all chopped up nice, we're gonna go ahead and get ready to prepare the sweet chicken sausage. Now once we added the chicken sausage and cooked it down a little bit, we added the Italian seasoning and cooked it a little bit more, and now you see me adding some of the white onions from the scallion. And now that the water started boiling, I'm going to go ahead and add the spinach ricotta ravioli, and that only took a few minutes to cook. Again guys, this is a 20-minute meal, so it did not take long to cook at all. Now that the chicken sausage is cooked down a bit and the ravioli's on, my husband's adding the tomatoes. And now that the ravioli is done cooking, I went ahead and strained it and just added it back to the pot and just let it sit for a minute just so it could cool off. And we're almost done, to be honest. Like I said, this was really quick. So we're just mixing everything together. And it doesn't look like a lot here, but we were truly satisfied. Like, we were full after we ate. Now, as most of you know, I am a new mommy. I'm still nursing. So instead of having a wine, we decided to go with sparkling cider, which was very perfect for this meal. If you're interested in seeing what HelloFresh has to offer, I definitely encourage you to go to their website and see what options they have for you. Now we're almost done. Since my husband is plating the food, we're gonna go ahead and top it with some scallions and crushed red peppers for added heat. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate your support. And also turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I post new videos. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you later. Bye.
Tastes good. Can I go eat?